I have bought at least 12 planners. I abandoned 11 of them before March. I finally figured out why, and the answer is not the planner, it is the system. Here is the 3-page setup that finally made it work for me. Too many sections you never use. Complexity kills the habit. No daily ritual to anchor the planner to your actual life. Planning everything instead of just the things that matter most. Monthly overview for big picture deadlines and appointments. Weekly layout showing what is happening each day. Daily top 3, the 3 tasks that must get done no matter what. Review last week and move anything unfinished to this week. Add all appointments to the weekly view. Pre-write your top 3 priorities for each day before the week starts. Open your planner before you open your phone. Every morning. Read today's top 3 tasks before doing anything else. Cross off anything already done for an immediate win before 9 a.m. Simple beats beautiful. A plain one you use beats a fancy one you don't. Undated planners let you start right now, not January 1st. A free printable planner you customize beats expensive pre-made systems. The free printable weekly planner in the description is undated, simple, and has exactly the 3 pages I described. Download it from the link below and do your first Sunday setup this weekend. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.